Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to identify any font from images or designs in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open your web browser and find the design or image that contains the font you want to identify. For example, you can go to YouTube and choose a thumbnail that uses an interesting font. Take a screenshot of that design. Next, open Canva and paste the screenshot into a new design. Once it's uploaded, click on the image and select Edit Photo. Then, choose the Grab Text option. Canva will ask whether you want to select a specific area or grab all the text. Choose Grab All Text to let Canva scan the entire image. After scanning, Canva will display the fonts it detected. If the design uses multiple fonts, Canva will list each one separately so you can see exactly which fonts were used. This makes it super easy to match or reuse them in your own projects. So that's basically how you can identify any font from images or designs in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.